Everybody, welcome back. Papa Missouri here, guys. Day 12. How can we beat the dog tags of day 11? Well, we just might have the thing that might do that. Welcome back. Like we said, day 12 of day 20 of the 25 days of Christmas. 25 days of giveaways. Not all Christmas related. Remember that. Most of them are gonna be like ornaments or such, but we're starting to get into some stuff right now that you can do multiple uses with, whether it be a Christmas ornament, hang it on your wall, put in a doorknob, put in your rearview mirror of your car, whatever it may be. Hang it in your locker, use it as a coaster on your desk. Multiple ways we can use all these things. So make sure to go down there and comment on all the videos. Shows us that you guys are watching the videos and enjoying this series. Because if you're enjoying this series, we'll do it again next year. We'll do it earlier, so that way you guys get the stuff before Christmas. So stay tuned. But let's get into, again, day 12. I'm pretty excited about this one. You know, we are very pro-military and pro-law enforcement. So this is a really cool piece for me to be able to make. Just like the dog tags were yesterday, what we're going to be making is the thin blue line. This is going to be an ornament, as you can see. The stars and stripes here will be cut out. And then these two green lines, they will not be cut out. They will just be a score. Because when the piece here on the right is overlaid on the piece on the left, this stripe will be painted blue to represent law enforcement. So without further ado, let's welcome in, because maybe he's afraid of light. No, here he is, the laser. One of these days, we will get him to talk. And then once we do, he probably won't be quiet ever. So, you never know. Divas, he's a diva, I'm telling you. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll frame it out. You can see we're using a smaller piece. We found these at the Amazon restock store actually here recently. Pack of about 50 of them, and we only paid $4. So that's a really good deal. It's a little bit thinner than what we usually use, but we've used it for a couple projects, and it turns out really nice, and there's very, very little waste. And you know us, we love very, very little waste. So let's go ahead and we shall start this baby. Here we go. So as you can see, it is done. And it should just pop right out of there. And again, very little waste on these little pieces. So awesome. There we go. This one did not, for some reason, cut the little hole on top. So we're going to have to cut that hole out. Yeah, so put these on here. Hopefully we'll just drop all the little stars on here. Get my X-Acto knife out. This little thin stuff is nice too because this just basically pops right out. So let me get rid of the trash. All right. So guys, like we said, two-piece go together just like so. And again, do a little cheating, and we already made one. So here is your law enforcement ornament. I really like it. This line here can be blue, red, yellow, green, purple. There's so many different colors. Red fire, of course. Green is military. Yellow, I think, is like telecommunications or something. So awesome. But so that's the ornament we're going to make. That's day 12. And guys, if you like this content, make sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on day lucky 13. So today we are going to make what is known as a